Let's check out this Salland GPS tracker. They call this the Salland 11. It works on the 4G system. And this is a magnetic system. We've got the quick start guide here. And then this is a magnetic base. It has adhesive 3M on one side and then a metal piece. So if you've got something that isn't magnetic in your vehicle, now you can mount this. This is essentially a battery and a GPS tracker. So it has a cover on the side here where we can open it up and insert the card and the charge it with USB. There's also a small switch in there, but otherwise the entire outside is completely covered. It's completely ruggedized. It's splash proof. This is magnetic, so it can be mounted wherever. And now with monthly subscription, you can live track. You can track with 3 days worth of memory on here. It'll use satellite throughout the whole world 24/7. This has 70 days standby power and 40 days of active tracking for an hour a day. It'll still work for 40 days anywhere on the planet. Nice size unit. Great service. Hope this helps.